Hi guys, so here today with a new video presenting our new Worldline payment module. So our payment module, this is the old one for Magento 2, supports the old Magento frontend, Luma. So as maybe many of you know that Magento Adobe introduced a new front-end, which is a pwa-studio, and we thought that we had to create a new extension supporting pwa-studio. So pwa-studio, if you don't know, is the new front-end of Adobe Commerce, also Magento, which is the open source version. So let's get to it. So this is the default template of the Vinea theme of pwa-studio. So we've added a simple product and we proceed to the checkout page. As you can see, as of now, there is no payment method available on this checkout. So we are going to install our module and see what it does. So let me stop the pwa instance and let's add our extension. So this is the main directory of the pwa project. Our extension this is the pwa-studio project, and our extension is just here in the parent directory. So you just have to, if you download our you paid and download the product, you will have this folder, so you can add it exactly like this. So with a yarn add command line. So what this does, it will add the module to the pwa-studio project package JSON and install the module dependencies. So this is the node dependencies of the React project. So to show you what it contains, this is our package JSON. Nothing more than these two components. So this is a React component to handle credit card input, and this is the styling for the styling of the component. So once the module has been added, we are going to run again the yarn watch, which will load start the instance, and we will see after a refresh of the checkout page that our payment mint will be available. So in the meanwhile, because this will take some time to build, let me show you the backend. So in the product, in the module you will be downloading, if you pay the module, you will also have a Magento backend module. So you will have to install that as well in the backend and configure it as such. So this is the standard. Everything will be explained in the README of the module, but this is the standard configuration. Also, we are going to make a live payment, so a live order and live payment. So if everything went all right, you are going to see appear here a new order with the payment information. So the latest order is 356. So let's check the building process here. Still going on. So if you want to check out, this is the old version of the module. So it supports Luma. This is the free version. So with the paid version, you have a lot of complementary support as well as a GraphQL backend. So, of course, this upgraded version of the module also will support the GraphQL backend endpoint. So if you are using other things than pwa-studio, like let's say a Vue storefront or another third-party front-end development packaging, you can use our module, the GraphQL endpoint to process your payment. So here I will need a test credit card. We are going to take this one, and that's it. All right, the front end is ready. So let's refresh this page. And let's see now. As you can see now, you no longer have the error message saying that you have no payment means, because we've added our payment method. So we are going to and country, let's put France. All right, this is the shipping address information. We are going to select the shipping method, and now our payment module will load up. As you can see, this name is come from here, the configuration of course in the backend, so you can change this text by modifying the backend information. So from here. All right, so now let's select this payment method, and we will enter the test credit card. So here it is. Did I miss something? Let's pick Visa. All right. I don't know why. I think these are not real MasterCard, or yeah. Anyways, so this is the Visa testing card testing numbers. So as you can see, the components automatically recognize the payment issuer, so the brand. Here is Visa, and that's it. Let's try to validate our order, and as you can see, the payment has been done, so through the backend, the GraphQL backend. So the customer didn't need to go or has not be redirected to a new page, external page, to validate its payment. So after that, we just have to place the order and the process. So as you can see, we are using here the Office pack. So depending on your bank, your your endpoint, you will need to, of course, enable the Worldline SIP Office Office endpoint. So that's it. So the order has been done. So when we refresh here the Magento backend order grid, we should see our order. So yeah, here is our order. We can click on it, and that's it. You can see that the payment has been accepted by Worldline, and the invoice has been created, as well as additional information about your about the process. So this concludes this video. So hopefully you will be interested by this module, and that's it. If you are having any question, you can ask on the MedIT website. So that's it. Have a great day. Bye.